Why did the lantern make everyone in the village sneeze? Well, once upon a time, there was a magical lantern that glowed so brightly it made everyone happy. But one day, a mischievous squirrel decided to hide a bunch of pepper inside it. When the villagers lit the lantern, the pepper flew everywhere, making everyone sneeze. They thought it was a curse. But it was just the squirrel playing a trick. In the end, they all laughed and decided to keep the lantern as a reminder to always check inside before lighting it. And the squirrel? It became the village's playful mascot.